There's a whole world of flavor in olive oil, full of varietals, styles, aromatics, and markers of excellence. What is olive oil? What is extra virgin olive oil? There are two principal grades of olive oil relevant to American consumers: extra virgin olive oil and what is simply termed olive oil. According to the International Olive Council, extra virgin olive oil is obtained from olives through purely mechanical or other physical means, with no heat or chemicals used. Olive oil consists of refined olive oil with some amount of extra virgin or virgin olive oil added back in for flavor. Olive oil varietals range from Hojiblanca and Picual in Spain, Coratina and Frantoio in Italy, Kalamata and Koreneki in Greece, Cemblali and Chetui in Tunisia, Cobrancosa and Gallega in Portugal, Luc and Picholine in France, and Mislaya in Morocco. Olive oils can be made from a single varietal, such as Arbequina, or from blends of varietals, such as the classic Tuscan blend of multiple olive varieties. When olives are harvested makes a tremendous difference in flavor. Early harvested olives produce a green, fruity flavor, typically with more intensity of flavor, including more or less bitterness and pungency. Olive oils that are harvested later from the exact same varietals will have a more ripe fruit flavor and will usually exhibit more rounded, milder, and more delicate flavors. There are 4 categories of olive oil flavor profiles: intense green fruitiness, medium green fruitiness, mild green fruitiness, and ripe fruitiness. Extra virgin olive oils include possible flavor characteristics such as fresh cut grass, artichoke, tomato leaf, green apple, citrus, ripe fruit, buttery, and nutty. Some of these characteristics will be more fragile on the palate and are best experienced in simpler culinary preparations where the oil is added in its raw, non-cooked state.